slow pulsing red tower lights across the distance, refuge in the dust. All my life I can remember longing, looking across the water and seeing lights. When I was 5 or 6, we were camping in the islands in July. The tall yellow grass and the rose hips fragrant after sunset. Island beyond island, undulating and familiar, not far from home. With my fragrant whittled cedar driftwood dagger in the mildew canvas tent, I saw fireworks many miles away but didn't hear them. And I felt the longing, a childish melancholy, and then I went to sleep, and the aching was buried, dreaming, aging, reaching for an idea of somewhere other than this place that could fold me in a clouded yearning. For nowhere actually reachable, the distance was the point. And then when I was 24, I followed this ache to an Arctic Norwegian cabin where I said fuck the world in a finally satisfying way. And I stayed through the winter and emerged as an adult holding a letter from you, an invitation. So I flew back and drove back, and when we met in person, it was instant. It didn't matter where we lived as long as we were together, and that was really true for 13 years, and the whole time still. Slow pulsing red tower lights across the distance, refuge in the dust. In January you were alive still, but chemo had ravaged and transformed your porcelain into some other thing, something jaundiced and fucked. They put you in the hospital in Everett, so I gave the baby away and drove up and down I-5 every night like a satellite, bringing you food that you wanted and then returning at night to sleep in our bed, cold. I went back to feel alone there, all past selves and future possibilities on hold, while I tore through the dark on the freeway, the old yearning burning in me. I knew exactly where the road bent around, where the trees opened up and I could see way above the horizon, beyond innumerable islands. The towers on top of the mountain lit up slowly, silently beaconing, as if to say, just keep going. There is a place where wind could erase this for you, and the branches could white noise you back awake. So I went back to feel alone there, but cradled you in me. In the National Gallery in Oslo, there's a painting called Soria, Moria by Theodor Kittelsen, We're kids looking across a deep canyon of fog at a lit up inhuman castle or something yellow in the distance. I have not stopped looking across the water from the few difficult spots where you can see that the distance from this haunted house where I live to Soria, moria is a real traversable space. I'm an arrow now, midair. Slow pulsing red tower lights across a distance, refuge in the dust. Thank you.
Bueno, eso fue Eerie con Soria Moria. A continuación y para cerrar este capítulo vamos a escuchar dos canciones más. La primera, This Old Dog de deMarco. Este proyecto está caracterizado como Blue Wave o Slacker Rock. Esta canción particularmente presenta algunas influencias del folk y sonidos acústicos para derivar en una pieza reflexiva y amena. Y luego vamos a escuchar Lowt y The Fins de Stove. Stove es el proyecto de Steve Harlett, quien toca básicamente todos los instrumentos en este proyecto. Stove combina a perfección ese sonido rastrero y sucio, rasguñado del noise con cierta nostalgia noventera. Low y The Fins hace parte del álbum Is Stupidier, lanzado en el 2015. Con esta canción cerramos la propuesta de hoy. Esperamos les haya gustado.
Sometimes my love may be put on hold. Sometimes my heart may seem awful cold. These times come and these times go. As long as I live, all you need to know is this old dog ain't about to forget all we've had and all that's next. Long as my heart's beating in my chest, this old dog ain't about to forget. Often a heart tends to change its mind. A new day decides on a new design. A new day gets set on another way. As long as I live, all I've got to say is this old dog ain't about to forget all we've had and all that's next. Long as my heart's beating in my chest, this old dog ain't about to forget.